My name is Gianluca Andresani. I'm a senior lecturer in law and a program leader of LLM in International Commercial Law here at the AFG College with the University of Aberdeen. Teaching and researching at the AFG College has given me the fantastic opportunity to work in a truly interdisciplinary and interdepartmental academic environment. Our world-class LLM program is blessed by having internationally renowned scholars and professors teaching our courses. Our LLM in International Commercial Law focuses on the rapidly changing business environment with a deeper view on the legal frameworks within which businesses on all sizes operate. Our students gain a wide perspective as well as a thorough and practical grounding in all areas of international commercial law, including skills and knowledge which are necessary to equip them to face the issues and the problems in the international law arena. They also get a solid grounding on the regulation of financial and commercial activities, on comparative and international company law, on corporate governance, on international sale of goods, and international arbitration. I look forward to welcoming prospective LLM students here on campus soon.